In this video, I'll show you how to create a text stroke effect in CapCut. Start by opening CapCut and creating a new project. Import your video and drag it onto the timeline. Go to the Text tab and add a default text layer. Adjust the text duration by dragging its edges to match your video length. Type your desired text and customize the font, size, and color using the toolbar. Under the stroke settings, change the stroke color to white and adjust the thickness. Next, select the video layer and click the Freeze button to create a still frame. Adjust the freeze layer's duration to match the text. Drag the freeze clip outside the frame to create a black background. Highlight both the text and freeze layers, then create a compound clip to merge them. Move the compound clip above the main video track as an overlay. With the overlay selected, go to the Video tab and explore blending modes. Choose a mode that complements your video style. Adjust the opacity slider to blend the text naturally into the scene. That's it. If this helped, consider subscribing for more editing tips. Thanks for watching.